Today we're going to learn about colors, numbers, words, and even a little bit about the most magical time of year, Christmas, using this cool Christmas tree toy. Uh-oh, it looks like something is missing from our Christmas tree. What could it be? It's all of the ornaments. Let's go find some ornaments that we have and even invite over a few of our friends to help decorate the tree. Here we go. Wow, check out all of our ornaments. This ornament is a Christmas wreath. The wreath is green and it has red Christmas trees, yellow pine cones, and a gold star on top. This ornament is a gingerbread man. The gingerbread man is wearing a green scarf. He must be cold. Brr. This ornament is a present. Present has a red ribbon with white polka dots. This ornament is a holly berry. The berry is red and the leaves are green. This ornament is a candy cane. The candy cane has red and white stripes, and it's usually made of peppermint. This ornament is a red and green ball. This ornament is a mug full of hot cocoa. The mug is pink. It's got a heart-shaped cookie, cinnamon sticks, and a red bow around it. This ornament is a red bow. It's so pretty. This ornament is two bells with a red bow. This ornament is a red and white Christmas stocking. This ornament is a gold star. Last but not least, this ornament is a snowman. Snowman's wearing a black top hat, a red scarf, red mittens, and he's got a nose made out of a carrot. Oh, and he's also holding a broom. Now that we can see all the ornaments that we have, let's see which of our friends want to come help us decorate our tree. It's Everest from Paw Patrol. Hi, Everest.
Everest, reporting for duty.
Okay, Everest, what would you like to put on the Christmas tree?
Do we have any snowy ornaments?
Snowy ornaments? Hey kids, do we have any ornaments here that look snowy? Yeah, this snowman right over here. Okay, Everest, that's one ornament. Do you think you'd like to put anything else?
How about some ornaments that look like yummy foods?
All right. Hey kids, do you see any ornaments here that look like yummy foods? Yeah, this gingerbread man back here. This candy cane right over here. And this cup of hot cocoa right over here. All right, here are all the ornaments that Everest picked out. Let's decorate the tree. All right, here's the tree that Everest decorated. Thanks so much for helping us.
You're welcome. I had so much fun.
All right, let's see who our next friend is that wants to help us decorate the tree. It's George Pig. Hi, George.
Hello.
Okay, George, what ornaments would you like to see on the Christmas tree?
I want round ornaments.
Okay, George, we can do that for you. Hey kids, do you see any ornaments here that are round? Like a circle? Is this one round? No, that one's in the shape of a star. That's not round like a circle. Better try again. Which of our ornaments are round like a circle? Yeah, here they all are. We got our round green Christmas wreath. We have a round red and green ornament. And I think we have one more. This holly has leaves on it, but the berry is round like a circle. Here are all the round ornaments that George picked out. Let's put them on the tree. All right, here's the tree that George decorated. Great job, George.
Thank you. Happy Christmas.
All right, looks like we got one more friend coming to help us decorate our Christmas tree. Who could it be? It's the Count from Sesame Street.
We're counting down for Christmas.
All right, Count, what would you like to decorate the Christmas tree with?
I want to decorate the tree with 1, 2, 3, 4 ornaments with red bows.
Okay, Count. Hey, kids, do you see 4 ornaments here that have red bows? Yeah, here they all are. We got a present with a red bow back here. Our mug of hot cocoa has a red bow on it. These bells are tied together with a red bow too. And last but not least, a big red bow. All right, Count. We got your ornaments here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ornaments with red bows. Let's put them on the tree. All right, here's your Christmas tree with 4 red bows. It looks great.
Thank you so much. I will say goodbye in 3, 2, 1.
All right, we did it. We helped all of our friends decorate their Christmas trees in their own special way. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. What's your favorite Christmas tree ornament? All right, I'll see you again next time. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everybody. Bye.